Yo, people, wagwan. Welcome back to Jamaica Drone Shots. Today, we're bringing you an exciting update on the Bogue leg of the Montego Bay Bypass, a significant infrastructure project currently under construction. This bypass is part of a broader initiative to ease congestion in Montego Bay by redirecting traffic away from the city center, improving connectivity and enhancing travel efficiency. Before we begin, I would like to mention that this video was a shot just before nightfall, so the lighting might not be the best. However, we have captured some remarkable footage showcasing the progress of this project. Let's get started. We begin our journey flying along Bogue Road, where construction crews have created temporary left lanes to keep traffic flowing. This detour directs traffic away from the original lanes while work continues on the overpass for the bypass. It's a strategic move to maintain road usability during construction. Our flight then takes us over Temple Gallery Road, a key route leading to Bogue Village and the back gate of Montego West Village. The entrance from the highway has been blocked off to regular traffic, with access restricted to very large units such as trailers. Next, we pass over Maffesanti Drive, where vehicles coming from Bogue Village now turn right to continue their journey. This adjustment leads to a smooth transition onto Glaister Dehaney close, where motorists have adapted to the temporary traffic rerouting measures. Further along, we see the intersection of Glaister Dehaney close and the highway, where temporary stoplights have been installed to manage traffic. This previously one-way road now allows vehicles to enter and exit, creating a new flow system to handle the demands of construction. As we continue, we observe the widened section of Bogue Road. Additional lanes have been added to accommodate the increased traffic volume, with the original right lane serving as a filter lane for vehicles turning into Glaister Dehaney close. These updates showcase careful planning to keep traffic moving smoothly. Moving away from the Bogue Road, we explore the area between two of the treatment ponds where the bypass road will eventually run. A concrete drainage structure is visible here, likely designed to manage water runoff from the roadway. From a higher vantage point, we capture a part of Fairview and the Freeport in the distance. This section of the bypass will run behind the Fairview shopping center, connecting seamlessly to an existing roadway and heading towards Alice Eldemire Drive. The bypass is designed to integrate with Montego Bay's existing infrastructure, enhancing its accessibility. Our journey concludes at the intersection of the Alice Eldemire Drive and the Howard Cook Boulevard. This critical point will serve as the distribution hub for traffic entering Montego Bay's town centre, ensuring a smooth flow of vehicles through the area. Before we wrap up, we take one last sweeping look at Fairview, Montego Bay Town Centre and the surrounding areas in the distance. This ambitious project is truly transforming the region and we're excited to see its impact once completed. Thank you for watching this aerial tour of the Bogue leg of Montego Bay Bypass. What do you think about this project so far? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Jamaica Drone Shots for more updates and stunning aerial views. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.